Back at it, Algebra 1s. We've got page 7 of your review packet coming at you right here. So we've got a recent snowstorm in Red Hook, New York. Jamie noted that there were 4 inches of snow on the ground at 3. There were 6 inches of snow on the ground at 7. And if she were to graph these data, what does the slope of the line connecting these 2 points represent? So basically what's happening is if you were going to graph it, okay, 4 inches of snow at 3 o'clock. So 3 o'clock, 1, 2, 3, 4 inches of snow, it would look like that. And 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 o'clock, there were, what, 6 inches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it would go to here. So notice the slope of the line is going up. So it says what's going to happen in the context. So we've got to talk about time and snow. So slope is rise over run. So what's happening? Well, it's going up from 4 to 6 inches. So it's going to be going up 2 inches. There's your rise. The run is basically how long did that take to happen? So from 3 to 7, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. It took 4 hours. All right. Now we can simplify this fraction. 2/4 is 1/2. That is a unit rate. Okay. But that's not a unit rate because it doesn't have a denominator of 1. So it's going to snow 1 inch every 2 hours. There you go. It's going to snow 1 inch every 2 hours. It's going to snow 2 inches every 4 hours. You could say that. You don't have to reduce that. But this is in context. 1 inch every 2 hours because we're talking about time and we're talking about the amount of snow in inches. Okay? Formula for the sum of the degree. Why is this not focused? There we go. Degree measures of the interior angles of a polygon is that. Did I say polygon? Polygon. All right, take it, solve it for n. So I want it to say n equals when I'm done. Now, guys, there's a lot of different ways you could do this, okay? We call this a formula or a literal equation. It's got more than one letter going on. I think if you were going to solve this for n, I think what a lot of you would do is you would do the distributive property because that's usually what you're trained to do. So you get 180n minus 180 times 2 is 360. So if you want to get n by itself, first thing we're going to get rid of is what's added or subtracted. So opposite operations. Now here's where a lot of kids go wrong. You cannot put these two things together. One is a variable, one is a number. So you do not get 360s. No, don't do it. You get s plus 360. And if I want n, I'm going to divide this side by 180. I'm going to divide this side by 180. Gone. So I know that n equals s plus 360 divided by 180. That's your final answer, by the way. Oops. You could reduce this if you wanted to. You do not have to. It would be s divided by 180 plus 360 divided by 180 is 2. Same answer. Okay, and there's other ways that you could have done that, but I think this is the way that you are going to do it. So there you go, page number 7 of your review. See y'all on the flip side.